Okay, so this video is to show you how to wire up a D4 switch that is available now. Okay, so it's going to come with 6 terminals, 4 blue terminals and 2 yellow terminals, which you're going to use based on which version of the original switch you have. If your switch that you're replacing already has the wires attached, you're going to use the 4 blue terminals. Okay, you're just going to cut your old wires right up here next to the switch, strip them back. Okay, black wires, 2 of these terminals are going to go to the inside part of your new switch. Your 2 blue wires that you have left, once you connect the terminals, they're going to go to these outside terminals on the new switch. Now, if you have the original style switch, which had 6 wires basically, you're going to use 2 blue terminals and 2 yellow terminals. Okay, your power cord is going to use the 2 blue terminals, like that. They're going to go to the inside switch, inside terminals. Your other 2 are going to be your power nozzle receptacle and your wires from the motor. 2 of those, one from each, is going to go to a yellow terminal. Those are going to connect to the outside terminals on the new switch. Then you have 2 wires left, the same 2 wires. You do the exact same thing. You put it back together and everything should be good. If you have any questions, just give us a call.